Assalamu alaikum class 8. I hope you are all fine and doing well at your home. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. Yes, who will tell me what is our previous topic? Hafsa, please tell me. Last time we have discussed how we can convert the octal number or decimal number into octal number system. We are working on conversions. What is the base of binary, girls? Binary number system. What is the base of binary number system? Binary number system base is 2. Very good. Hanjala, please tell me what is the base of decimal number system? Good. Decimal base is 10. So, Mama, please tell me what is the base of octal number system? The base of octal number system is 8. Minahan, please tell me what is the base of hexadecimal number system? Good. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. How many numbers we can write in a binary number system, girls? Yes, we can write two numbers 0 and 1 in a binary number system. Very good. How we can write? How many numbers we can write in decimal number system, boys? Dayan, please tell me how many numbers we can write in decimal number systems? Good. We can write 0 to 9 numbers in decimal number system. Abdullah, please tell me how many numbers we can write in octal number system? Yes, we can write 0 to 7 numbers in octal number system. Who will tell me how many numbers or alphabets we can write in hexadecimal number system? Yes, we can write 0 to 9 numbers in hexadecimal number system, and after so on we have the values and we have numbers and alphabets in hexadecimal number system. From 0 to 9 we have numbers in hexadecimal number system, and after 9 we have 10, which is exactly equal to capital A, which is equal to A. What is the value of B? Who will tell me? Hafsa, please tell me. Khansa, Zahid, please tell me what is the value of B in hexadecimal number system? The value of B is equal to 11. Good. What is the value of D, girls? Fatma, please tell me. Yes, the value of D is 1, 3, 13. Aisha Idris, please tell me what is the value, what is alphabets come in 15? Yes, good. Which is equal to F. And 12 is equal to C. And last is A is equal to 14. Is any confusion in the number system, girls? Yes, we have converted the decimal number into octal number system. What is the step, girls, or what is the procedure to convert the decimal number system into octal number system? We have divided the decimal number system into octal number system. We have divided the decimal number system. Topic is conversion. and decimal to octal. Question number 1, you have to solve these questions into your notebook. Convert 1, 0, 2, 4, 6. Base is 10 because it's a decimal number into octal number system. What is the step number 1, girls? Step number 1 is divide the number 46 by 8. Divide the number 10,246 by 8. 8 1 times 8. What is the remainder, girls? 2. 2 किसके पास चला जाएगा? 2 के पास. 2 becomes 22. Now read the table of 8. 8 1 times 8. 8 2 times 16. 8 3 times 24. 24 is bigger than 22. So we use 16. 16 minus 22 is equal to 6. The number is 64. Read the table of 8, girls. 8 1 times 8. 8 2 times 16. 8 3 times 24. 8 4 times 32. 8 5 times 40. 8 6 times 48. 8 7 times 56. 8 8 times 64. Here we reach our number 8 8 times 64. Remainder is 0. Next we have 6. 6 is not divisible by 8. So we write 0 and remainder is 6. Is any confusion, girls and boys? Next we have again divide the number by 8. Is 12 divisible by 8, girls? No, 12 is not divisible by 8. So take a smaller number, 12 8 times 8. Cut the 12 and write 8. 8 1 times 8 and remainder is 4. 8 becomes 48. Now read the table until we reach 48. Yes, we reached on when we read the table at 6 times, so we reach at 48. So we can write 6 in the place of 48. Yes, remainder is 0. Next time already 0, so we write 0 and the remainder is 0. Again divide the number by 8. Read the table until we reach 16. 8 2 times when we go 2. So 8 2 times 16. So 2 times and 0 is already with it and remainder is 0 because remainder is nothing. So we have to write 0 in the remainder point or in the remainder side. 8 2 times 16 and remainder is equal to 4. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. So we have to write 4 in the remainder side. 8 is 2 divisible by 8, girls and boys? No, 8 is not divisible by 2. So it's our remainder. And start writing the number from this side, from bottom to top. From bottom to top, and the bits are 2, 4, 0, 0 and 6. The number 10,246 246 is converted into octal number system and the number is 24,006. 24,006. Is any confusion in this, girls and boys? You have to note it in your notebook. Question number 2, convert the octal number system and convert the octal number into decimal number. As we solved and as we discussed how we can convert the decimal number system into octal number system in the class, and now we are going to discuss how we can convert the octal number into decimal number system. The topic is convert the octal number system into decimal number system. Question is convert 1-3 in an octal. 1-3 base is 8. It means it's a octal number into 10. It means you have to convert the octal number into decimal number system. Who will tell me how we can convert? Yes, we can convert it into multiplying by its base. If we multiply 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8, so it gives us the number which is decimal number system. Yes, step number 1, divide the 8 bit and multiply the 8 bit by its base. 1 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 8. The number itself multiplied by its base. We have 1 and 1. We have 2 bits. First is 1 and second is 3. We have 2 numbers. We can consider it as bit and consider it as numbers. First number is 1 and second number is 3. It means we have to multiply 1 by 8 and plus 3 by 8. What is the step number 2, girls? Abira, please tell me what is the step number 2? Yes, step number 2 is start writing the powers. From where we have to start writing the powers? We have to start writing the powers from right hand side. From 0 or from 1? Yes, from 0. We have to start writing the power from 0 and 1. Good. Next question is from Mustafa. Please tell me when the power of any number is 0. What is equal to? For example, we have a number 2 and its power is 0. Is equal to what? Yes, is equal to 1. But when we have a number 7 and its power is equal to 0, is equal to? Is equal to 1. For example, next number we have 99 and its power is equal to 0. Yes, it is also equal to 1. So Ali Hassan, please tell me 8 power 0 is equal to 1. 8 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 3 plus 8 power 1 is equal to 8 multiplied by 1. 8 1 times 8 plus 3 1 times 3. We have 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So in decimal number system, 13 octal number system, in octal number system, here we have 11 in the decimal number system. Can we write A in the place of B in the place of 11, girls and boys? Can we write 11 in the place of B? B or B in the place of 11 boys and girls? No, we can't write. Yes, we can't write B because we are not converted into hexadecimal number system. We are just converted into decimal number system, and in decimal number system we have numbers. We have not hexadecimal values and hexadecimal alphabets. Just you have to write the numbers, just 1, 1, 11. You have to note down this example in your notebook. Part B is convert two, 8, 4 into 10. Yes. What is the first step, boys? Step number 1 is multiply by each number by its days. 2 multiplied by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8. What is the step number 2, girls? Step number 2 is start writing the powers. 0, 1 and 2. When the power of any number is 0 is equal to, Abdullah Yahya, please tell me. The power of any number is 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 4 plus 8 power 1 is equal to 8 power 1 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 8 plus the power of 8 is 2. Yes, is equal to 64. 64 multiplied by 2 is equal to we have solved the powers. Now it's time to multiply the powers by the numbers. And 64 multiplied by 2 is, Minahe, please tell me. Minahe Majid. Yes, when we multiply 64 by 2 is equal to 1 to 8. 8 times 64 plus 4 1 times 4. Now add these numbers, 128 plus 64 plus 4. So it is equal to 2, 1 and 6, and its base is 10. Now the number 284 is converted to 216 and its base is 10. Now example number 3 or part 3 is convert 1047 base is 8 into decimal number system. So what is our step number 1? Yes, our step number 1 is divide or multiply each number by its base. 8 plus 0 multiplied by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 8. Step number 2 is, yes, step number 2 is start writing the powers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the power of 8 power 0 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 7 plus 8 power 1 is equal to 8 multiplied by 4 plus 8 power 2 is equal to 64 multiplied by 0 plus 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. 64 multiplied by 8. 8 4 times 32. 8 6 times 48. 49, 50, 51. And here we have, when the power of 8 is in 3, so the number is 5, 1 and 2. Multiply by 1. Now start multiplying. Then when you solve the powers, it means you have to write the numbers, multiply the numbers by its. 1 multiplied by 52 is 152. Plus 0 multiplied by 64 is equal to 0. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. Plus 7 1 times 7. Now start adding and plus add the numbers. 5 1 2, 32 and 7. Here we have 1 is carry, 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 and 5. Here the answer is 5, 5 and 1. Now the number is converted into decimal number system. Is there any confusion, girls and boys? But I have some questions which I want to say, and I want to tell. I want you that you give me the answers. Your homework is convert. Your homework is convert part A to 573 into decimal number system. Part B, convert 10354 into decimal number system. When you will completed your homework, you will send me in my channel or in the WhatsApp group, so that I will check your work. What is the base of binary number system, girls? Yes, the base of binary number system is 2. What is the value of C in hexadecimal number system? Yes, C is equal to 12 in the hexadecimal number system. I hope these examples will help you to complete your homework. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.